All right, the drink we're about to make is called Scotch Mist. Now we're going to take a Collins glass here, and we're going to really pack it full of ice. Now obviously, if you happen to have some crushed ice, it's going to be a lot easier to pack it. I unfortunately do not, so I'm just going to really ram it in there. Ram our regular ice in there. There we go. That's pretty well packed. You see the bottom isn't quite as packed as the top. Now we're going to measure out 2 ounces of scotch. Okay, there's 1. And it's going to loosen up our pack a little bit. We can probably pack it down a little more. And now we're going to add our 2nd ounce. Okay. And as we know, scotch is a whiskey that is distilled and aged for a minimum of 3 years. But most of them are distilled for about 5 to 12 years and sometimes even longer. And that's my little lesson for you. We're going to serve this with no straw. You can see how well it's packed in there. And like I said, it'll be even more packed with crushed ice. Bottoms up.